Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie. I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. Um, I have my dog in here. This is Blue. Um, he's likes to have attention, but anyways, I had planned on um doing this video a different way. Um, I had planned on actually opening the box without knowing what was in there, for it to be like a surprise. And I was like halfway through the video doing the unboxing, and I had some technical difficulties. So basically, I already know what's in this box. So it is from Kitty Butterfly on Poshmark. I will link her closet in the description below. She has an awesome closet and she's a very sweet lady, and I'm very happy with this box. So definitely go check out her closet. But I'll show you guys what was in the box. So this first thing is looks to be a vintage like bomber jacket, and it's got this detail on the back, which I'm gonna have to do some research on it because I'm not sure if if these are supposed to be like certain people, but it's super cute, and I'm sure I will definitely be able to sell that very quickly on one of my platforms because it is very unique. Next, we have a Zara woman tweed coat with like I don't know if you would call that plaid, but it's got like a gingham square pattern to it. And there's the back. It is an extra small, so I don't think it'll fit me, but I do like this coat a lot. And then the next item are these J. Crew factory heels. They're just a basic heel, but they do look like they've hardly been worn from the looks of the bottoms, and there is very minimal wear on them, so those are super cute. And then there is a Zara basic blazer, a tweed blazer with a houndstooth pattern, and then it's got this super cool like fringe, like an eyelash fringe on the cuffs and on the collar and the pockets and the bottom. So there's the back, and it's a zipper closure, so super cute. And then the next item is this Papel Boutique evening top. It's got a lot of very detailed beading on it. It's very, very cool. And there's the back. It has like a zippered back as well. Next is this multicolored suede belt, which I thought was super cool. I do have a couple belts in my closet. I haven't sold one yet, but they are super easy to list, so I will definitely be listing that soon. And then the last item is this Patagonia headband. Oh, it's upside down. I do love to sell Patagonia. It always sells super fast for me, so I'm sure that'll be listed soon. I was very, very happy with this mystery box, and I knew that I would be because she's a very, she has a lot of cool stuff in her closet, and she's always finding super cool pieces, and she's got a lot of cool stuff. So go check her out. Thanks for watching my video. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you like this type of content, give this video a like, and be sure to also hit the bell notification so that you are notified of future videos like this one. Thank you guys, and have a good night.